Quick update on the Mutazu Road Glide 2015 and up fairing. So I picked up some hardware that would allow me to at least fit it together. Sort all together, you know, mostly sturdy. What I'm not a fan of, I don't know if you guys can see this. Where that shine is, and then where there's that lighter white spot, right there. There we go. You have this gap right in here. When it seems like it should be able to fit precisely. I'm not a fan of that, so I'm gonna have to try a way to fill that, find a way to fill that. And same thing right here. So here is where the filler for the front and the inner ends, and here is where the inner starts. So I can fit my whole finger in that crease. I can see ribs that I don't want to be seeing. Bunch of problems with that, in my opinion. For $530, I really would have expected a better quality to come out of it when you compare the other options at $320, maybe $400, depending on what model you get. Also not a fan of, if you look down in, there, see that gap, that gap. I know there's got to be some amount of gap, but on the front, I am not a huge fan. Where the support brackets won't be going, I don't want to see a gap there. Again, just a lot of this, it's got some wobble that I'm gonna have to punch some holes in it and add some more hardware to hold it all together, which I was really not expecting to have to do, again, for the price that I shelled out for this sucker. Maybe that's the way it is with all the Harley fairings. Maybe they have a little bit of wonky play that I just didn't realize, but you know, you'd think for a giant hunk of plastic or ABS or fiberglass or whatever it's made out of for your bike and whatever you built it out of or purchased aftermarket, that's supposed to hold radio, head unit, speakers, headlight, electronics. You think that it would be a little sturdier. I get it, there's brackets that go in there that hold a lot of it in place, but still, you know, you're going average highway speed 80 miles an hour, okay? Easy 80, still within legal limits. I don't have faith without some extra added hardware to hold the top together and maybe some stuff on the bottom just for peace of mind. But, you know, you can't always win, and with stuff like this, you pay $500 or you end up paying close to $1,000 for a used Harley, and you know, you buy the CVO used stuff, you're spending even more. So I'll throw some stuff together, punch some holes in it, add some hardware to keep it together and keep it sturdy, and we'll see how she works out.